Ate Telly. I'm actually trying to spell out the word obedience. Would you spell it out with me? Alright then, let's spell it together. Obedience. O-B-E-D-I-E-N-C-E. Obedience. One more time. O-B-E-D-I-E-N-C-E. Obedience. Salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin na mag-spell ng salitang ito. Alam niyo ba that this is a word that everyone should know? It means what you do, what the Lord commands, every moment of every day. Whatever you do, wherever you go. You know what's the secret? It is to obey. It is always the very best and it brings happiness. Tara, samahan niyo kami ni Sha as we praise God with this action song tungkol sa obedience.
Obedience!
Mabuhay! Hi, it's me, your Ate Telly.
And I'm Sha.
We are CECE!
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos po!
Also, visit our Facebook page by simply clicking the link in our description box.
Salamat po!